What is pop art? Pop art started in the 1950s, peaked in the 1960s, and ended in the 1970s. It used pop culture images and mass production to challenge traditional art. Optimistic, brash, and bright. Pop art style elements to look for: Ben-Day dots or small dots that are used for shading and texture, halftone patterns made of different sizes and color dots, and neon color accents that show energy and excitement. Some well-known pop art pieces are the Maryland Diptych, made by Andy Warhol in 1962. You'll see repetition, color choices, and faces. The Campbell Soup Cans by Andy Warhol in 1962. What do you see? Series repetition, art and ads, and things to think about. Wham! By Lichtenstein in 1963. What do you see? Comic book style, action and sound effects, and fun realism. Hopeless by Lichtenstein, 1963. What do you see? Comic book style, feelings that tell a story, and the dot effect. What did you like about pop art? What do you not like about pop art? Thank you for joining us to learn about pop art. See you soon!